See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.
Hey there guys, it's Paul from dronesgetter.com, and this time I looked into a rumor going around the internet about a new DJI Mavic. The leaked image might actually be sent by DJI themselves just to stir up the population a little bit. I'm pretty sure of it. On the right of this drone it clearly says Mavic 2, so we know what it is. The body looks quite a lot like the old Mavic Pro, but with smoother design lines, which I really like, I must say. As soon as I'll get my hands on the Mavic 2, I'll definitely review it on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I'll also compare it with my Mavic Pro, of course. The camera on this new Mavic looks way bigger and much more solid in my opinion. There are no dangling wires around like on the old model. Even more so, it seems to be modular. Why is that? Because there seems to be a smaller black camera on the table. That could prove to be a replacement for this bigger one. Maybe we will actually be able to use it on the ground on a selfie stick instead of the Osmo, for example. This new drone probably also has side sensors, as we can see a big hole in the back side. And hopefully also some sensors in the back. That would be great. I have written a more in-depth article with possible specs this drone can have on DronesGator, so check that out in the description if you want. What makes me wonder a lot is something that nobody touched on yet. It's this round tubular-like device in the back. It looks nothing like a drone, so it is the wheel of something else, maybe another RC device, or maybe I'm just going insane. Please leave a comment down below and tell me what other ideas you have about this new drone. Do you like the design? And I think there's no point in thinking this is not a real leak, as we've seen this to be true with the DJI Spark before. By the way, do you think this new Mavic camera can have a 1-inch sensor just like the Phantom 4 Pro has? Or is it a bit too much to ask? It is definitely going to be better, that's for sure. Remember that if you're confused on what drone to get, I have linked my favorites in the description, along with their reviews. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to look into my article about my 7 best drones under $200. You might actually find a very good and cheap camera drone in there. If that's not your thing, dronesgetter.com has quite a few interesting tech articles, including awesome videos of a working drone made out of pizza or finding a Phantom 4 underwater. Links for these are in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more links from DJI and more drone reviews. See ya later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.